Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. And gusto ko sana kayong bigyan ng update regarding yung OpenClaw ko, which is the AI agent which I installed. Um, Actually, I installed it on my Mac Mini. Correct? This is my first installation. Ngayon, medyo mabagal. Okay? I tried to fix how slow it was using, ChatGPT, asking him what could be wrong. So we did a lot of configuration to make OpenClaw faster. Yung response, okay, ayun yung sinasabi kong faster is the response time and also kung gaano kabilis niya i-process ang isang query ko. Let's say, we're making an expense tracker skill for it to use. So, ayun nga, madami na kaming ginawa pero wala pa din. So, and also, I did install a lot of models, iba-iba. Iba-ibang models, iba-ibang, ano ba yung sasabihin natin, iba-ibang size. Kasi meron dyan, parang context ba yun? Or, let's say, 32 billion, 4 billion, 9 billion, 2 billion, ganun. Hindi ko pa familiar kung ano yung mga yun. Pero, that's like, ang alam ko, let's say, kunyari, ang dinownload nyo is 32 billion, mas madami siyang pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, mas capable siya as your open or your artificial intelligence agent. Ngayon, ayun nga, madami akong in-install, pero ganun pa din, I do encounter a lot of errors, like writing and creating files, installing skills. Ayun, ang dami. Ang conclusion ko doon is that yung maliliit na models, sila yung pwede mong kunyari kausapin lang, kunyari ask for let's say facts about things. Para siyang, let's say, sabihin na lang natin, para siyang malaking encyclopedia. Okay? O, yun, malaking encyclopedia where you can ask him about or ask it about let's say dinosaurs, ask it about things that happened in the past. Ayun yung mga 9 billion yung mga maliliit na language models, yun kayang-kaya. And also, kunyari, install ko sa Mac Mini, kayang-kaya niya yun. So, yung Mac Mini ko is an M2 Pro 16GB. Ngayon, kunyari, I go up to 9 billion or 16 billion, 14 billion, gumagapang na siya. So, hindi na niya kaya i-process yung ganong kalaking language model. So, actually, I tried this for a week. Nothing happened. Nothing really significant happened. Maski na ilang reinstallation ako ng OpenClaw and Ollama, wala pa din. So, ang ginawa ko ngayon is, instead of installing yung LLM in my Mac Mini, which is locally, gumamit ako ng cloud version. Okay, so this is, the interesting part. I used the cloud version. I think that was probably 32 billion na ganong kalaki yung language model. And wow, you can really feel how fast it is. And also how smart it is. Okay? I didn't encounter any issue installing skills or asking it what to do. Kasi nung in-install ko locally, medyo yung parang pagka nagto-talk kami, nagchat-chat kami sa Telegram, inuulit-ulit niya yung mga answers niya. So parang stuck siya in a loop. Ayun. I'd never encountered this issue when when I used an LLM which is cloud-based. So yun nga, I think of course it's cloud-based, so malalaki yung mga or yung hardwares nila doon and matataas. So yun, I mean it runs so buttery smooth yung conversation namin, and also sa mga tasks na pinagawa ko sa kanya. Ang gaan, pati ang gaan, mararamdaman mo yung takbo ng AI. So yun nga. And but see, the only disadvantage of cloud models is that you have to pay, okay? You have to pay a monthly fee, okay? If you want that kind of service, okay? Ngayon dito sa Dubai currency, that is 72 dirhams per month. If that's in dollars, that would be $3 or $4 per month. But of course, that's not unlimited use, okay? You're eating up tokens. So that 7 or 72 dirhams per month only gives you a limitation or a specific token amount which you can use per day and per week. Yun lang ang disadvantage sa cloud-based model. Kung local, kunyari if you do install it in your computer, okay lang, walang problema. You can talk to it whenever you want. You can do whatever you want. Let's say develop skills, maybe create websites with it. Walang limit. So ayun ang pinakamaganda sa local based. Pero ayun nga, kung local based yung LLM nyo, kailangan nyo ng mataas na specs. Okay. Akala ko nga yung 16 GB is big enough, pero it wasn't. So ngayon, what I did, hopefully this video is not running too long, but it's a nice story. Okay, so ngayon I have a Windows workstation also. Sa Windows workstation ko, ang specs is I have a Ryzen 5000 plus and an NVIDIA graphics card which is 3060 Ti that has 16 GB of VRAM, and then RAM or memory of 32 GB. Okay, so that's a big upgrade from the Mac Mini, right? Which is 16 GB lang. Ngayon, it's double. It's 32 GB yung RAM. So yeah, okay, I expected I can finally run maybe a bigger model, 24 GB model locally without any problem. Okay, so ayun nga, I asked my AI, the cloud AI, which model is similar to yours that I can run locally in my computer or in my Windows workstation. So yun nga, it suggested like 3 models. So I started with 32 GB. So yun, I installed it. I installed Ollama, I installed OpenClaw, and then I got it running on the 32 GB model, Qwen 3.5 or 2.5. And ang bagal pa din. Ang bagal. That's, it's crazy. Ay 32 GB of RAM, hindi pa din niya kaya i-run yung ganong kalaking model. Okay? It does respond, but it's like, 1 second, maybe 2 seconds per word, okay? When you're chatting with it. So it's very slow. I mean, from what I experienced on versus the cloud model, gosh, this was so freaking slow. Ayun. So 32 billion yun. Okay, Qwen 3.5 32B. So I downgraded to 14B. Ayun, I mean, of course, it's a little faster, okay? It's not, significantly fast. It's a little faster. Pero when I asked it to install the skills that I need for it to have, okay, ang bagal. Okay, ang bagal. And parang hindi pa din niya alam paano i-install yung skill. 14B na LLM na to, okay? So, madami na siyang alam, madami na siyang knowledge, okay? Pero hindi pa din niya alam i-install yung skill, okay? I mean, it's trying to install it, but I still have to guide it. Unlike yung cloud-based model na tinry ko, walang problema, okay? I never had to instruct it to do anything. I just command it to do this, do that, and it does it. It asks permission if I want to proceed, but that's it. It knows what to do. Yun. So, yeah. So, 14B on a 32GB machine is okay. But if you want to do simple things, okay, or not really simple things, simple to medium kind of work, okay? But for me, I don't know. I was expecting a lot more. Because it's an AI agent. I mean, from what I can do with ChatGPT, I wanted to do the same locally, like develop applications and such. But maybe it's unfair for me to compare it to a cloud-based model. But yeah, yun ang update ko. Okay, so I upgraded to 32GB and hindi pa din ganon. Pero I mean it's better than nothing, right? Maybe in the future they will come out with an LLM, a language model that can run on a 32GB RAM or a 16GB RAM. I mean, it's still, the technology is still progressing, right? So, I'm sure madami pang LLM that will come out and probably more compatible with a 16GB, 32GB that can do similar things to a cloud-based model. Yun lang. So, yun lang guys. It's a nice update. I'm gonna keep on using. Okay, I still have it installed on my Mac Mini. Maybe I will pay for the monthly fee. Okay, let's see if I can get some use of it. Right now, I'm tracking my expenses, which is so nice because ayun nga, whenever I'm outside and let's say spend on food, I just tell it, okay, I spent this and this on this amount for food using this card, and yeah, it does it for you. Okay, it reads your balance and then finally it deducts it and gives you the final balance. So all your expense is tracked, and I like that kasi for me that's important because I want to track where my money goes. Okay, and then apart from that, ito pa nga, yung cloud-based model, ang very smart. Kasi when I ask it to, let's say, since I'm also doing swing trading, right? So when I ask for, let's say, stocks that are good for swing trading on a certain day, it gives it to me. Okay, I mean, it's not perfect, but it does filter them out, okay? Instead of me filtering them, the stocks, okay, which, usually takes 30 to 40 minutes, okay, because I'm just starting, I don't know what to do. It does it in less than 5 minutes. So, see how much time you do save if you have an AI agent. Yun, I mean, there's a lot of things you can do, I'm sure. But, ayun na nga, I mean, you would need a stronger model. But, I'll try to maximize what I have right now. And yeah, I'll give you guys an update. So, for my stock updates, I'll just do that another video because this is already It's minutes from what I can see. Minutes. Okay, guys.